new talent that cares not just for economic growth but for equitable social growth as well. Where will this new talent come from? JSW Foundation Fellowship Program nurtures young people in the country to become social leaders. The fellowship is a long, arduous journey. They have grown to be individuals who are not looking simply at a problem at a surface level. They're looking at the deep-rooted causes behind it. And I believe that shows maturity.
Hi, I'm Sandhya. Harini.
Ajay Kumar Neeraj.
Ranasha Murli. Subhani Singh.
Anish Rawat.
Arti. Valli Padma.
Manjunath Mete.
Ishani Mukherjee.
Anirudh.
जोईता चौधरी,
ऋतुजा सोनटके,
विवेक सहारे.
Zarfana.
अभिषेक सागर.
मेरा नाम नूतन है, मैं एक JSW फाउंडेशन फेलो हूँ।
Looking back, I had many fears, and the term fellowship itself was very new to me.
प्रोजेक्ट डिज़ाइन करना था पता है, लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता था कितना डीप होता है, इतनी चीज़ें होती हैं जिन चीज़ों की मतलब बिल्कुल समझ नहीं।
मीटिंग में ऐसे लगा था कि ये एक साधारण सामाजिक कार्य होगा, लेकिन ये एक गहरी सीखने की प्रक्रिया रही मेरे लिए।
Initially, there were a lot of challenges.
Being accepted by the community was something which took a lot of time.
How to create a space where the community feels safe to speak up about their problems.
Communities should be at the forefront. People take the lead forward. They own the project.
What kept me going is the community members itself. Their motivation motivated me.
Because the enthusiasm in them made me to feel very happy so that I should do something better for them.
कुछ टाइम बाद आप लोगों से जुड़ जाते हो, लोग ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं उसके बाद।
वही कम्युनिटी घर जैसा लगता है। अभी तो वो घर वाले बन गए, मतलब उनके लिए कुछ अच्छा ही करके जाना है, ये मेरे दिमाग में था।
The field is very rough but a very educating place. It's a place where we get some of the harshest but some of the most learning experiences. I've had some of the most fun and felt the most fulfilled.
I enjoy my work till now because it's a very long journey and it's always a learning by doing. Development sector is also a very inspiring field.
Is so connected with people, and so much of emotions and a lot of things go in there when we are in the field, and it's just so enriching. Today when I see my journey, it makes me happy and a little proud in myself that I have come a long way.
I have committed to doing something, and this is some positive change that I am trying to bring.
It is not only about the model, it's not only about the project, it's about the process.
This fellowship gave me so much strength and confidence that I can survive in any environment, in any challenges.
हार नहीं मानना है, कुछ भी हो जाए हार नहीं मानना है, आपको चलते रहना है। तो ये मैं अपने साथ लेकर जाने वाली हूँ।
और जो डर था वो पहले से, मतलब डर अभी रहा नहीं।
Best decisions of my life is getting into this fellowship.
Fellowship is a very wonderful journey. Some ups and downs are always there. It's a roller coaster.
There is a quote which comes in my mind every time. If you need serenity in your life, go and support someone.
That lasting quest for knowledge, that lasting desire for positive change is something that every fellow comes to appreciate and learn during the fellowship program, and I really wish that they continue that quest through their life.